2022. Ewo Okuman 97.1 radio.
Okuman Yanko Kata World Cup 2022. And Asia. Every tomorrow, no matter what goes down.
Say atena say a hot oven off Okuman radio Yanko Kata. What? First game. PS. Tunisia na face in Australia. Sorry, na face in Solo Paradise and a fantastic commentary between Tunisia and a face in Australia. Area ba Tamukuchu.
Anɔpɛ nso yɛma ama wakwaba ɛde aba 97.1 Ɔkoma radio so ɛmra so sɛ yɛtena ase na sɛ ne da bia yɛyɛ no saa ɔsom pa yɛgu so ade asom wɔ afiti November 20th ɛbɛsi ɛnɛ da yi a ɛnɛ date ɛyɛ 26 yi saa som no a ne yɛtoa so enti anɔpɛ yi wɔnyɛ mistake koraa sɛ wode wafiri no ɛde ato Ɔkoma radio 97.1 ɛyɛ 2022 Qatar FIFA World Cup kɔ Facebook Ɔkoma radio 97.1 Facebook Ɔkoma radio 97.1 okɔ hɔ no mu a like page no na share na fa comment no fa to hɔ fa comment no to hɔ na wa like kama na nso wa share na fe unia no so anya bi ahwɛ kama pa enti unya nkɔ hɔ no ma wo yɛ ha ma oho enya ha na fe fa comment no fa kɔto hɔ na yɛngye brɛ ɛnkenkan ne nyinaa ɛnso ɛmfa ɛma wo anɔpɛ yi yɛatena se me din na de paa solo paradise eke ɛwɔ ha korɔbea asante na afei adwoa poku a ɛzɔnam ɔno so ɛwɔ ha abusua nyinaa ka yɛn ntam abɔ ani ɛna zigi ɛnso yɛde yɛwura mu wɔ Facebook Ɔkoma radio 97.1 na afei YouTube Ɔkoma radio 97.1 wɔde yɛn awura mu hyehyehye paa ɛnyɛ easy ɛna donzi nso wɔno na di ka miamia fidie na furu ma prapra kwan mu a ɛma yɛn so yɛaba bɛgye agua no nti anɔpɛ yi ɛne yɛn nkɔ so amu adwuma na yɛbɛsom wɔsom pa ɛne yɛde bɛma wo anɔpɛ yi ɛwɔ baabi biara a wo so wowɔ yɛsi akan sima ɛbaako ɛkɔ mmienu ntamu ne Tunisia versus Australia wɔbi amfa abɔ nto atena mu yɛ sima baako ntamu ani na wode w'ani akyerɛ mu ɛde a ɛnɛ Tunisia na ɛbɔ as ɛyɛ home team ɛna Australia man no ɛnso ɛbɔ as an away team in commentary position Tunisia ɛbɔ fiti nifa ɛde kɔ benkum soɔ ɛna afei Australia bɔ fiti benkum ɛde yɛkɔ nifa ɛnso afam na Tunisia fɔ no ɔmagye white ɛna kɔkɔ no yɛ numbers ɛna afei Australia fɔ number yi adwoa na ebehu ɔmo jersey colour na adwoa yɛ colour bɛyɛ
Australia fɔ
ayi
na sɛ Australia ɛbɛyɛ turquoise blue
then
turquoise
okay
blue
okay
but a lovely jersey
fɛ paa
yeah nice
nti ɛno na adwoa ka na ɔsɛ turquoise
blue blue
we yɛ mbɔ we bi wɔ Ghana ha ɛyɛ deɛ yɛ nim ayɛ blue turquoise ana yɛ ka onim turquoise
Let me be honest. I think this is my first time.
Yes, we can maintain that.
Me, okay.
Who's a no about the fashion? I'm going to need the actually.
Turquoise.
Turquoise blue.
Okay.
And green no so what kind of thing? Just enti Australia for omo jersey color no na ya describe ya ma no ya kan mi ntumi nka adwo akandida ntenya fe na mbesi so emrantie duba ku agira mu ne ukọ Tunisia famu a eye aman daman or ye goalkeeper or the goal post nim afi abrantie a ni din eso ade Dalan Brown enso esi akan Maria enso agira mu na fe Montasa Tabi wano so agyina esi akan ediema Tunisia man no Mohamed Draga afei abranta de skiri ena abrante wano esha 14 jersey Isa Bella Landwani wano so ejemu Ali Abdi esi akan Sliti Sporting 23 jersey ono so jiram and afei Assam Jebali and a skipper for the side Yosef Sakni wano esha number 7 jersey wamone mrantie dubakun esha ase Ediama Australia Oman de Tunisia 3-4-3 formation and Tunisia airball yako Australia goalkeeper no Matthew David Ran one of the goal post name Frank Karasic ejiramo fei abranti ade Harry Sotter one also esi academy K Roles enso esi akan Aziz Behich one also ejiramo Relay Magri and also esi akan of abranti de Aaron Moore one also esi akan bi ediama Australia emino Jackson Alexander Avin intinidin no Jackson Alexander Avin one also AC Academy Alexander there
because Alexander
and to say enti abrante no so ejiramu si akan 22 jersey no shadima Australia and afei Matthew Alan Lucky one also AC Academy bi Michelle Duke enso AC Akan and Craig Godwin enso AC Akan ediama Australia 4-3-3 formation for Australia national team no market value for Tunisia is 4 million euros enti Tunisia for no omo market value no oko Australia 2 million euros enti Tunisia for the boy thing as Australia for it is a didn't say pa na ya dwuma dia and in Australia omo di ncho in advance is answer Tunisia for the boy dey omo 2 million euros and now is omo di ncho in advance but football there bibia to me see
to me the year England the 3 Lions.
Yes,
I was shocked. Oh, so USA I should have packaging the team. I invested in even the coach. And then I made the cutter for who I say why invest in stadium say we host tournament now my team the moon share her cry. Now Qatar will be the first country to leave Qatar.
well from Qatar so no dey say well the 2 matches in net aye ke be say omo ofie di dem omo ko dem
Yes.
omo ma abontin bi yet was at the amount 7 minutes and yaboko Facebook na for comment no bra ye bet bracken kan Daniel Sabet ye center referee no pay wo ginamu ebo adwuma and afei stadium yesu aka no eye Al Janoub stadium ewie anopay dem uko kata ya wia san say wia ni ginam 30 degrees Celsius ginam pa ginam awa kata bato ba Ghana dia edamuku na ya prepare sa ediama wo 7 minutes approaching 8 minutes attacking throw for Australia omatobo ne temper wa jamu adiamani ne wa beating marker wa cross board na so Tunisia for the club lines still Tunisia Australia for the Bajibano wa cross wo Tunisia pem Australia for the senior babaji 8 minutes center cycle ekita Australia abedia siasa Tunisia for the Jimri kababa abrante that was so dodo ama Australia for no so clear am ko bia e wo Tunisia for no afam ko YouTube na ko Facebook se sia ayo command Radio 97.1 okay Command Radio and you went England for my idea ye Command Radio Krobia Sante and a control room on Ocho and I'll pay ya or bedroom kama into a yafa ɛyɛ ɔno a anyafa ɛyɛ ɔno a sɛdeɛ tie bi a momfa so bɔ ne mbɔ no korɔ bi asante ɔyɛ adwuma so ma ne yɛ fɛ nti ɛbɛyɛ fɛ paa bɔ no ekita Australia sporting number 7 jersey wɔde bɔ no awura box no mu de ama ne nua wabɔ apem nipa ma Tunisia fo no nso akla mo lines sɛdeɛ fi akyerɛ ɔkora Tunisia fo no ɔma akla mo lines ɛdeɛ fi akyerɛ hɔ wo hyɛ Facebook no na wo like na wo comment na afei wo de hyɛ no nso wamia so ama wo nua no nso a ɔwɔ akyirikyiri no ɔno nso anya bi ahyɛ na ɔno nso de ne comment ɛde aba saa ne yɛyɛ no ɛno ansa na ɛyɛ onuadɔ wokɔ YouTube a ɛno nso ɛdɔn no no amia so na kyɛ sɛ wasubscribe na ayɛ kama papapapapapa enti wonya nyɛyɛ a ma ho yɛ ha hot oven ofla Okuman Radio Yenko Kata 2022 live commentary Tunisia versus Australia. Tunisia versus Australia. Tunisia versus Australia. Enya izikra. Hwan ena esha hwan. Simedu eni abo eye free kick kodiama Australia man wa peja bono tete akoti benkuma fam dem Australia wono so jamo de maninia obetumi across one na wa bono so wasane mo Tunisia pem waje ato ne kokom kama wa clear the free box nim wo bie no de Tunisia fo no pressure na no ya denti omu na kwakogu akire wo mu nyina kogu akire pressure no ano ayadim papa Mr. Jonathan Abepobi fantastic good morning Abopobi diaba wase Ghana ne South Africa penalty na yajima Ghana no enya mbisa ya wose penalty ana aya ne Portugal yajibi eti ayen ya ni abre ya hono papa yatewai Mr. Jonathan Abepobi fantastic good morning and confirm out bono ekita Australia wa cross on Sudabi Tunisia for na bomutum e dey fear chiro pressure upon pressure and Tunisia dey so Australia for also and as Australia mo dey see Tunisia so Tunisia for na clear dey fear chiro abedi center circle Australia wa ma fa de kwa chire sa wa jemu adiama ni nia kama awia ni jiram papa wo hwe ba bi Australia for no area no wa keeper no obre awia ni den ani mu pa otulu wo bre papa
sentina ni players no mbo more than say ball
em ma ho
ko e bi ball me ba on hwe sun race be affect ni na akoshe so far 12 minutes omo abobo yi omo match Tunisia for e bi Tunisia for omo train second half magic no e bi omo train second half magic no e ba no why
omo dey aye aduna
because knowing Tunisia there omo is slow kakra mama
Tunisia aye slow e wo game nim Tunisia aye slow wo game nim bono kita Australia goalkeeper run wa peja bona sinse mu ten Tunisia for na pem na so bo na nko wasen bomu e dia firi wo etira ko wie mpanyan wo ma pem mrikata de che Tunisia for na be fa na so wa win foul Sliti wono ne ade na to fam waso ne sere woni na nkokomu sa wa win foul Sporting 16 jersey ede yama o maya ni di ede Australia behage ene ko di sa buga no wa ma bobo ni temper wo center circle kan ko na chi sa Tunisia abrante de wantumi amfo Australia for na befa wa pia de abase ha ejemu etiema ninia leki wa cross na Sudabi Tunisia for na clear de afia chiro eye attacking throw ya to ediatia Tunisia eye attacking throw ya to ediatia Tunisia Okuma 97.1 radio. Hot oven ofla. Okuma radio Yenko Kata 2022 FIFA World Cup match day 21. Where the game at also 21. Nemo when the day there near a decan cry and sway. 64 no. Yegusu kwanka kranka. Yegusu yakoyanim. Ankakra. Yebedu. Eyede yara 18th December beba. Why they beba? Oh yes, beba. Eyede yara beba. Yebedu sesia. Yebe wie na.
You know more than lift it.
Ya so ya humi bi. Yebe wie na so ya humi bi. I don't know.
As a Misha, ebi mu cut down ba o.
Sa. Ofu fem ye gina mu.
We are sure. Maybe I want to gina mu.
Sa mu. I here for the cut down to my body.
Ye nim ye hu.
Omo munim. Okay. Eya na ya ye be wie. Yesu ye betumi ahumi bi kakra. Eno no ye ba no pa ne ye be ye wie a. Ye be be ma je bi awia. Nti ye be ba no bra no but say de one hour bi a yo 15 minutes. Tunisia 0, Australia 0. FIFA World Cup 2022 Qatar. Why na 18 kunim afidia na 42 million US dollars no. While after they go enye sika eji. Anu ya she.
But seriously, if Black Stars can fight, on say your IMF. Imagine somebody skill back then. Okay, you
42 million.
That is a lot of cash. Eh? Usha, you wait me there ba.
Oh.
Nah. Oh, okay.
Oh, that
Don't trust to say it to me there ba.
yes, I'm interested into me.
Sir. Tigana phone
Ghana
forget it.
Yenje World Cup this year.
Sir. Surprises for football mo.
Maybe then 1950 mu on you bet me about
42 million.
yes. E be say next can ko nanim.
Okay. Yes. Maybe 100 billion cry.
AK 16 minutes. Obian Shebi.
Yeah, Solo, I think it's 17 minutes now. Obian Shebi. Team are looking more promising. No, in the Australia, we realize more and more. I need more distribution from the midfield to the attackers. Australia, they look more and more threatening than the Tunisians. The likes of Duke more and they are trying to get an early goal for Australia, but so defensively, I think the Tunisians, has been very, very solid, compact. So making sure they prevent the Australians from scoring. But Opetima in the last 17 minutes, or dominated play, tries to Obenya a shot of goal, and also Obenya early goal in the game. I think the Australians and looking more promising. Up front, Tunisians and I brought Jabali. And said that who will give me something as slitty and I feel so scary. When you have players minimum say when they rise to the occasions and I say the occasion they can do something for the Tunisians. But this time around, in the last 17, 18 minutes, they've been very, very quiet in the game. But I'm saying defensively, Tunisians, they are really defending very, very well. This is the game want to make us Tunisia no, they must win and win convincingly. So they don't meet my qualify because their last game will be against and so at France. And France basically say we bring the 6 points, not Friday I qualify. So France has 6 points, not qualifier. And the last game I think say the key players when the team you beat my arrest you, then you take advantage of that. Now so not the item I qualify. But this is a game and the Tunisians can't afford to lose.
Socceroos of Australia, Amoya Juma. Pressure no at the Tunisia final so now Tunisia any chance I will box him. Oba cross one Tunisia. Wawasusa goal kick. Oh, Sakni, an experienced player by our standard. But this time around here, on to me you say experience no. Ka woji wa ha no first touch no na ha no. The first touch no emu ye den. Emu aye den. Eno na ha no nanso ni nyina mu no omugusu ginam. Socceroos of Australia, omu nickname no association here Football Australia. Entiene ukomo association na edin no. And omu hwe so mbebo adwuma confederation no. Eye Oceania. And omu so edi aginam. Na omu wo Asia importam 1966. And omu sha se omu ye adwuma. Head coach awati about World Cup yi Graham Arnold. Wano any head coach wano so to Tunisia Ediama Australia man captain ya Matran. Abrante wesi akan tutuo. Ediama Australia man Mark Swaza 109 caps ana watumi aye. Ediama Australia top scorer Tim Cahill 50 goals and also washer. And so to me agu atenam home stadiums na de dodo no FIFA code AUS eno mu FIFA code and afi first color esoro no yellow efam no light green bisa hose no so yellow and second color na name hye no adwase your friend saying second color no and shop no.
Another turquoise.
It's turquoise blue.
Turquoise
blue.
Turquoise.
I am on co-weddings.
Invite you. I did invite you.
Who shades of colors.
Invite
you. Invite you. Oh, okay. Oh, what can? I just say a balance here. And the turquoise blue and only on second color. Omo FIFA Coca-Cola ranking and then Australia toss 38. And what the whole world 38 and omoda and I feel highest ranking and way back September 2009. One about 14. Lowest omanya 102. And that 102nd position the whole world. And also in November 2014. First international game Edinburgh Australia minor was against New Zealand. Wamusiakano ewa Dunedin. And I said Dundee, New Zealand Cromwell, 17th June 1922. And I want to see Australia. Elusu Yadema, New Zealand, and come here and some Timu Bakwan. You have first international game, 1922. And I'm my biggest win Wamunya over Omaya American Samoa. Australia, Ashago, Etikai. Australia. Wamashagoa Etikai 23 minutes. Australia Shagoa Etikai. Australia Ashagoa Etikai into Tunisia 0. Australia 1 Adwa.
This World Cup is really full of surprises. What team? That's what officer team no people is good at. The opponent to just surprise you. And Yawangwa. Yes, that year Australia has been the one fighting so hard. Say, on person now, look, Tunisia no happen again. We can't say African teams they be now they concede some. And Tunisia, I was say Tunisia win. I was say Tunisia win the power because African teams we can't exit the competition at this early stage. It's nice goal from Australia, very very nice goal. Oh.
Enti baby I'll do ya ni de ochinimu. O hede chonimu ochinimu. Tunisia da for me ka back one mutumi ante
Yes, Pastor said previously make an open team and look more promising up front. It was somewhere in the Australia, the likes of Moy and I'm facing Duke more up front, it was a lot of threats to the Tunisians. We should go by and it was just a cross from the right, from the left of the left hand side of the Australians, and then just a flick from Avante Duke. And I kind of want some kind of identity, the cheap ball now, again, opening goal now, and the Australia. I'm saying the describe it just a cheap goal from the Australians.
Yeah, crossing
never
Tunisia,
and then he born very told me that I know the cheap ball and I could top post in him. But as I'm saying, this is the game that these Tunisians can't afford to lose. They must win. Because when we need now we share France in the last game, very, very difficult at the amount. And we in Australia losing the first game, we knew we are 3 points. The next game of the bond is against Denmark, and also not possible so bit my pick points. I will pick points in that game, and also I'm an idea. Let's not qualify. Their group, Pasolo, open because the fan is ample. Tunisia lose game, Australia got 3 points. Tunisia 1. Denmark against France, and it's such a difficult game. Denmark can win the game. Owinia about 3, Australia about 3, France about 3, then Tunisia about 1. The last game is Tunisia France. Tunisia can pick a point. Outside game. Owinia about 4. Denmark against Australia, anybody can qualify. So that's what I say. And if say Australia,
Tunisia she have France, not France in qualifying way.
So that's what I'm saying. If say and then France shut Denmark. France will about 6 points. So that's what I say.
Automatically will
qualify. Then Australia about 3 points. Then Tunisia 1 with Denmark left with 0 points. Last game between Tunisia and France. Denmark will play against Australia. Denmark can easily beat Australia.
Yeah.
So that's what I say. Now even Tunisia can pick a point even and I say we win against France and what qualify that
4 points.
About 4 points. Then Tunisia can still qualify. And, that's what I'm saying. To avoid all these complications and difficulties, beat Australia. Naku 4 points.
Yeah, 4 points.
Yeah, 4 points. We in a very comfortable position. Whereby I know, say France and Denmark. Results need be a baby and every favor Tunisia. Because if Denmark wins, Denmark will about 3. France will about 3. Tunisia will about 4.
Tunisia will lead the
table. Then Australia will be 3. The last game is between Australia and Denmark. France and Tunisia. You go all out.
No, even
a draw. 5 points you qualify. This is a game they can't afford to lose. They must win this game. Understand it? A very big chance of qualifying out of the group.
Michel Duke. One in a share go no can out and can watch Samu. 27 minutes. Tunisia 0, Australia 1. Na make Tunisia mabakwa sam kakra chiraw. Omo biggest win omunya no omo che American Samoa abo mo 31-0. Enye omo biggest win pass. A game no akoso ewo Coffs Harbour, Australia Mountains. 11th April 2001, a world record for senior international matches. 31-0. And Australia so a win here. Our biggest defeat, South Africa show Australia 8-0. And no Kosovo Adelaide, Australia Mountains, so 17th September 1955 at 55. Inti Enya is a World Cup boy. Australia for appear 6 times. First in 1974. And almost appear. After our best results, a run of 16, the year 2006. Into Omo World Cup no. Omo shada nyande sa. Omo ba group stage number from group stage number from. Omo ya the run of 16. And 2006. To Australia, omo beatable. Tunisia met me asha. When you wrong. Asian Cup no mark 4 times. First in 2007, best results 2015, omo champions. OFC Nations Cup, omo appear 6 times. First in 1980 best results, 1980, 1996, 2000, 2004 champions. FIFA Confederations Cup, Australia appeared 4 times, first in 1997, and our best results in the runners up the year 97 now. Ebano medal record there, FIFA Confederation Cup 97, it was Saudi Arabia, Omutosumienu. 2001 was Korea, Japan, 1,000 a bronze medal. And I say Asian Cup no medical catcher us, and then Omunya gold the year 2015, and at 2011 Wakata, Omunya silver, and so and here AFC Asian Cup, and I know so much here. And the Omumade money there, our football mono, Oko Asia, what the Omoya but world stage no, Australia on Yobia. Omumwa Bakwa Samu Kakra, and I met the mano. The Tunisia the Baba, Mensro, young Kogo Pamanso Kakra, game on. A far well called Yama on my Tunisia. A foul, a called Yama on my Anidi and Swede Tunisia, my Pejabon also, and say that's what kita Tunisia, Yababa Jeff in itself, Australia for not club when I said the flu cry. Australia 2010, yes, you are money, Yashawam. I was South Africa, Ghana, she omono. Yes, you are my 2-1-1. Your boy, one papa, ne Coach Milo. And the is a cry. 31 minutes. Ko Facebook, Bonnie, Ekoku, or the Aba, or say on the screen, indicate time flow for the match. Into your Bonnie, dear, what the about Facebook. And so Ziki, any crop Yabayama, time no, the battle so Ube Hukra. Nemo, Nia Bona, ya catch no. Ko Facebook or Common Radio 97.1, YouTube or Common Radio 97.1. And soon Yamia Choba, and soon Yamio, and soon Yamia. Adibia anywhere Sunyamiye, and Tubedi and Sunyamiye, Choba, aka Oforua Choba, a Choba Bia, a what papa. A Felmunima Dianisu ye kama, and Quina Ubedia Tafrawansa, Benku, Ababa Kukrenim, Fufuo Untiaba, Mutuo, ya Chia Manafe, Feko. Na ko container so de eni fe when ye baby for ko container mu tum ni bi onko enso nyame ya choba mu ko container ko container kala kra hu ni green na hu ni brown na hu ni black but o mamu de nani afe papa anti kona ko pe bi na di enkwan no so de enkwan bi e bi wo ho ne e dan ne e dan ko a Manfia Kuapem, you will new road no so 024201 7553 and soon you may a chop by one friend. One sabaka Jenny Biadi Otomo Enterprise, where you dealers in all kinds of provision and of a bakery product on bakery product there, Otomo, our quality one. And of a affordable one, and your papa, and yes, some beer, na dear pan one answer, cake bio, nemo, is someone, and your papa no, and no any idea, Otomo Diano, and chair was store ho. One no coffee by ya no aton, and check. And then ye egu on I saw 3 days, ya 2 years, and do 1 week. Inti uko toma ni bakery product no enye nia date ne bon ho a afefa ni bia eye papa afei uko provision ho so a enye ma na egu shop won nyina eye latest one ɛyɛ latest one deɛ wokɔ a wotɔ a na wahwɛ sparring date no wobɛhu sɛ yes egu ho ɛmfefa yɛ ɔtɔmɔ nko a ɛma nneɛma no na ɛyɛ saa eti kɔnɔ akɔpɛ bi na tɔ ɛyɛ wholesale and retail eti sɛ wokɔtu atɔn anaasɛ wokɔtɔ no baako akɔ use no wokɔ a wobɛnya bi ɛboɔ no nso deɛ da fam sesei nneɛma mu ayɛ den nneɛma nso ɛboɔ ayɛ den but wokɔ ɔtɔmɔ enterprise a ne boɔ no da fam ne boɔ no ɛda fam sɛnea wobɛfa kaa kɔ akra akɔtɔ no akra price no ɔtɔmɔ deɛ no koraa wɔ fam sɛn no wobɛsɛe lɔle fɛ na wakɔ akɔtɔ firi akra na wode aba abɛyɛ adwuma but wokɔ aboasa market opposite brackets in a ɛwɔ akuapema kuropɔn a ɔtɔmɔ no lɔle fɛ afei price no koraa no ayere so ana ne akra deɛ no wɔ ɛyɛ pɛ ebi koraa deɛ akra deɛ no boɔ yɛ den enti kɔ ɔtɔmɔ na kɔtɔ wo nneɛma 0542 94 5667 0542 94 5667 Otomo Enterprise Obo Adwuma 35 minutes Tunisia 0 Australia 1 Michel Duke wano ena wonya that goal no Ediama Australia man no wo bo adwuma pa wo bo adwuma Ediama Australia ko Facebook Okuman Radio 97.1 YouTube Okuman Radio 97.1 like page no share ma unya ni nya bi share afei comment subscribe bibia kama nanti dam anopa tutututututu yete ya kwan kwan so de amount to serve God and country nti yebe ya dwuma no bon ekita Duke o de be chire de ma ni Australia run goalkeeper wa peja bana sinse mo 10 around the center circle Australia fani bomani akodi left hand side edema Australia for esoro wa pia de be chire de ma ni still Australia wa mu kita body mo SG forward abeti right hand side asan kwa chire biem Australia for na teacher pass de mo ho K Asari Company Limited K Asari Company Limited K Asari Company Limited was say oya dealers in rocks, stones for building and all constructional purposes. NTNA ebane say aboa ya de tetare ya dan ho e design dan ho na ya de paint e wo dan ho nko ade ye K Asari Company Limited womo ena dokrumu womo adokrumu womo ma sheda kwakosua ewo amanone oma sheda kosua wa amanone ena mo ye adwuma enti unko na unko form a ummo ka kura ummo ka kura afi omo bo no so womo mo ye adwuma na enwa wai etetare dan no afi bo dan no so nya woden te say ye ntop paint empenti dan biom sika no sheda ni wasa a 3 months bia 6 months ayere so anu 1 year aje mo top paint fufuro paint fi ho ko K Asari Company Limited ebo no ye de betetare dan no ho de amount enti say ya sorry offices ankura dan dan bia say ye hotel guest house munyina no monko hu K Asari na vei amumamo rock ni stone ni bi na mo fanko ye edan no adwuma Kingdom Estate Junction akropon akuapem na K Asari Company Limited debutuo fire was 0558 402229 054 0558 402229 0209 880600 0209 880600 Wofreke Asari Company Limited one bejo so Sima Ediasa awotwe 38 minutes still Tunisia 0 Australia 1 Tunisia for na pem. Nanso emfa Australia se ye mamu kwan kra ehene ha. Anyhow, Bonnie Kit Australia for Wura box no more. Time for Australia na so. Tunisia Brantiano Akle. Wakla the lines, referee. Wajin infringement. Nanka a big opportunity by defender the yard. Why the pass? Anka Tessa. Anka Adiayemio. And then Anka Tunisia for Eto. Licky. One on Anka ma dia Tunisia for no Nanswene. Anfa Tunisia national football team. One more modern. One more show say back modern our world Carthage of Tunisia. Now Omudini Eagles of Carthage. Inti ene uromwa wamoso eyokwa de inti wo hwe mo badge na okware ya da so sa na star no eda na boom omo ye Carthage Eagles of Tunisia. Association of Tunisian Football Federation Confederation CAF Africa Sub Confederation no UNAF North Africa. And omudi jina mwa Jalal Kadri head coach and afe Yosef Sakni captain Ediama Tunisia most caps no abrante wasi akanto to Radi Jadi 105 caps and abrante na top scorer abrante ndidi Assam Jema 36 goals and awase home stadium Stadi Hamadi Agrebi eno any stadium afemu FIFA code here TUN into where screen this one TUN and in a boss war first color all white and a red in name second color all red and a third color and so all green and a yellow. And so any name and then you second color no and the edjuma. Currently 30th position our FIFA Coca-Cola ranking and so on the 6th of October 2022 year. I'm to 30. I'm on highest ranking on April May 2018 14th and Tunisia bedaye. I'm lowest year 65th position July 2010. First international game, Tunisia 4, Libya 0. Tunisia Monteso on the 2nd of June 1957. Sa yana na Ghana nyane fa hudie no. Enti da yana so na mo international game e dikan kra. Omo chi Libya so mo 4-2. Biggest win. Tunisia 8. Republic of China 1. Of course Rome, Italy 18th August 1960, Tunisia 7, Togo 0, Ekosuo Tunis 7th January 2000, Tunisia 7, Malawi 0, Ekosuo Tunis 26th March 2005, Tunisia 8, Djibouti 1, Ekosuo Tunis, Tunisia 12 June 2015. One of biggest defeat. Hungary 10, Tunisia 1. Budapest na koso Hungary 24 July 1960. And as a game na koso World Cup appearance, Tunisia appear 6 times and Tiomone Australia na yepe. Wamuna appear 6 times. First in 1978. But our best results group stage 78, 98, 2002, 2006, and then 2018. Into Tunisia, one contra group stage that into a one brabana no mugusobo, and then they yadwa.
Tunisia who cry, yemi one.
On group stage is that
Tunisia, Australia is matching Tunisia boots for boots. Anka Tunisia, they anka over Africa. Say ka champions anka musu kan hu bi. And tell me what say. To say at Tunisia there, Bobo say. Because in fact, Tunisia into me and we need game we party. Because we say Australia so young Kabobo there from home. Alexander. I'm saying some the kinship you way no mood. Tunisia should do something. I don't know what's wrong, but I still have faith in the second half. Say we are dressing room bar. Be our best son. Because Tunisia needs to go forward. African countries. Say na African countries. Senegal will be done. Ghana cried there. Calculations be ma. You bet me be fear. Tunisia should up its game so at least 2 African teams can go to the group stage. You see group stage Penomatra. This time they should try and go forward. Oh, I think. They in fact, me cry.
Okay, 45 minutes in Aso.
Yes,
additional time now for year, but Tunisia
yes, still the Australians controlling the game and dictating the pace of the game. How and direction of the game should also go. Australians not and South here. I'm surprised that the Tunisians economy also airborne compared to how we see at Denmark and I'm born fire. In a game against Denmark, they were creating all the chances and also not to me and share. But this time around against Australia, to me and create one single chance here. One single chance. I can say we have a chance and Tunisians there's something for Tunisia. To me any beer. The likes of SCT and our friends now Abranta and so on Jabali up front and me any occasion I'm waiting to and make me sure you say in the second half on the coach and the other country with my substitutions now are they more offensive players at the room all because here say be in the game or Wadi Kaziri on the bench and ban creativity and Bantan Eden or Yadi Ewan so sure you say in the second half on the likes of Wadi Kaziri and so we're doing on to me as a Sunday I'm done in many so Tunisia to me I record the first victory in the tournament.
Sima enum ne ade atoso yabo mu sima bako eko sima mienu ntam. Tunisian Shebi Australia asha bako. FIFA World Cup 2022 wakata. Na mi di Tunisia o mabakwa samu nkomo kakra kira. World Cup dia o ma ya dia no group stage. Ewa no mafrim. Yeba AFCON Africa Cup of Nations o ma appear 20 times. One first in 1962, best results 2004. Yakranu as champions, and so our 2004 tournament in him. Have a African Nations Championship, and a chan. About 2 times, first in 2011, best results 2011. Amoya champions. Brandon did Sakni. And I'm in Shadan Huni, captain for Tunisia. Bobby Bayer, Emma crossing the Bayer pa. What boya, what buffer opponent chain. Sakni, how could you? So I will say chance way. That's what I said. Arab Cup, Tunisia appeared 3 times. First in 1963, best results champions 63 and FIFA Confederation Cup appear 1 time per 2005. Now group stage and a free mu. Intene Tunisia so abakwasem kakra and so no. Sima miensa any about additional time no aka Simano mienu na akanse no fentika no anso abana wiye Offla construction and the Offla construction sabra ne dance ne de obeboa ama wasi Offla se edan no obeboa ama wonso wasi pa esanse blocks no eye ne nchan ene yeto no cement eye ne nchan afei ubesi de ama wani agide a wono wa ma danse na ya mre into call flat construction a won so bibia ba ya mre e de ama o se brabato cement, better blocks, iron rod now pe, plywood now pe, construction when you menina ayonwa, anwea, mosia, aboa kese na opa, track krampo epa, yedi bi behan wo. Ebano estate developing na Ofla and Ostra. Ofla construction. Wamuso ebe buaw. General construction there. Omoya huade. Corner kick for Tunisia and Sudabi. Australia for na pema fro. Ye wo beye some seconds bi na fe game na ba wie ye. Australia for na bomu tum Beam Nation obie no. Womu na kogu akire nipa lavini na egu akire ho. Tunisia on pesa monte omuka. Simenu mu na so referee Daniel Sabet from German. Wa shine na band wo fa etikano. Ni na ba na wie ye. Australia and Shabi omu sha ba kumo. Tunisia na Shabi kamidigo ni ma Tunisia. Tunisia mo na Shabi and Australia. Yeah,
Duke, the Duke of Australia.
Yeah.
Watch I saw your Duke and Pa, and nice goal Australia. Oh my God, they deserve the first half win. Now Tunisia, I'm still confident. Say, or second half bar on winning game. They have to win the game. They have to, as an African, they represent me fellow African country. Bakonim, and Tunisia should go to the second half drawing board, come back and win this game. But that doesn't mean Australia to have credit in Momo. They are playing a good game. Tunisia, the first half. This shows that say football no obia nyobia and titiru kata ankasa obia nyobia. To mun kan check kata for say omunsua de na say ball no enye say we go sikane no ano no. Invest in team no. All kata ball no be mpekra. First team to leave Qatar. Como
independent to say. Independent knows who grow one.
And America some time back, me to America no. When they wanted players, now they omu naturalize you be solo me count as come here football like that time cry. Me naturalize me who crama America. Won because they had the money. Into omu per players on be ba. Oh yeah, there. That's the investment I want. Qatar to do. Okay. Go out the players or coaches or pay the money. Sikano mo no dey den. Enti yen second half.
For quality coach.
Exactly. Quality because the man there is cash. When you go to Qatar,
invest in national team.
Exactly. Players omo invest Mohamed Ghana ni bi omo bra Ghana, omo bra Ghana Premier League.
Omenya players.
Brekum Chelsea menya player ma omo.
Because omo nya Ghana Blasters ni bi mo.
There be into players so omo call there Sikanti do ombe ku omo ho hwe Montari obade bia or skoma Qatar. Na Qatar oti osa se Sikane de stadium ana nti sisi ayo boka stadium no de be den. Ususo a oti menye.
Omo ball leg. Stadium no omo yo mbebubu bio. Stadium omo wi a.
Minimum of Africa. But omo invest on team. Next for is America and Canada no. I want to see say Qatar
I qualify.
5. I say 4.
The big cast we qualify answer because we one more qualifies so. We more qualifies.
That shows you say we are so no. You need to take the stairs to get to wherever you get. There's no shortcut in life.
So
once a Qatar meaning, you see host and we automatic qualification. Yes. We are see if you pass through the mirror, it would refine you. Now are you ready?
But
Adi chow. I say what is came.
You say Cameroon no more qualifies ni bi.
Inti ade na Qatar so one
can prepare mo ho.
No until I say do
we qualify automatically but anka bobi fa prepare.
Onya sa akonya na you do go school. Now I taught exam question mawa. One na oya ho. We are you know your left and your right. But one kasa wo sua de anajo, wo do 9 to nsuom, then you pass and you know say yeah, I did it. Inti Qatar no omo way no. But second half we will see how it goes for the Tunisians.
Yate. Okay.
Omo qualifiers. Hey.
Okay, yanhwe. Yanhwe Qatar na. Yanhwe Tunisia Australia game no. First half I ended.
Yes, Pastor, first half I ended. Still Australia leading by a goal to 0 against the Tunisians. You know, So disappointing and so unfortunately saying Tunisia either from by a goal to 0. But as I said, we should say Coach Kadri of Tunisia a bit making substitutions now, and then Tunisia for it's about game no more now, probably getting a win. Difficult about second half now. I bet say Ashe whereby Osha Boa Tunisians nebo and Boa Australians nebo and very difficult for Tunisians, some about it because in the first half, among create chance be Emma Moon say they want to score in a game. But Sana Mekan, you have a certain Wadi Kazari on the bench. Bring him on, not make it the chances, and and from Tunisia. And the set pieces are very good. It's all the no creative chances now. They be say Ampa and in between Matakana and some between maybe. But one year now Tanasa about 60 minutes and he's still on the bench. I don't think say ever boy about Tunisians and a victory.
Okay. Nti eno eye eke na otene nka no se ono so apiapia nsam no enso atumi edi egumu woni adwoa ofa di kana ba wie ye yenton ade kakra ofla construction se end of year promotion no enso yade a ekoso nti obo ma so ya omo so ebehwe aboa ama onsa enso ebeka promotion niema ni bi na ne tie nie obeto 500 pieces of blocks. So oto 500 pieces of blocks are obenya 2 bags of cement free. And then the promotion yet yema wo cement no oto 500 pieces of blocks are yema 2 bags free. Ave oto 1,000 pieces are and also yema 5 bags of cement and also free. Oto 1,000 pieces are 5 bags of cement and also yet the bema free. Oto 2,500 are at the air qua and then obenya 10 bags of cement and so free 2,500 and above and also no okoton sana 10 bags of cement free and offla construction and so at the ebema wo umpewe na peden for offla penny for 0552 97 71 98 0552 97 71 98 0594 6356 56 and as 0502 80 8992 0279 0129 5 ofre ofla impanyimfo a omonso ebejo so na eno so atumi akoyie ede amawo amano krom akuapem eho na head office no enso ewo anaso obosoma se akuapem eho no monso office ne ba ko ho na koforidua eastern region ahinkro mu no eho nso obehu ba ko enso ewo ho no ko na wonso ko na akwaje wo blocks ene wo cement na fe fakosi dan na enkoyie enso emfa ema wo anopei na executive pub upeti anomo de a okwa ho a obenya bi enso anom obenya bi anom ewo executive pub upe fufu edi a ene weekend ewo se udi fufu enti ko executive pub na ko pe fufu di nkwan no light soup wo ho abunabunu nkwan amem nkwan nkatankwan ni nyina enso ewo ho no open katikontobe anase nkatikonto a oko executive pub a obenya bi edi nwa nkwan kisi nkwan aponche ogwan na ntwide otwenam kura na wo pawe a oko executive pub a obenya bi insumunam so de enso ewo executive pub fufu anase banku mutuo anase kokonte na ope executive pub na ose woko na okodi weekend way na entumi enkoyie emono so yawo anwamo ewo ho a ya chinkesu ya toso sene ope ni bia no okwa executive enso ebeye ede amawo afa provision shop enso ho no ma all kinds of provisions no available enso ho retail and wholesale enti obetu akoton anasa open ba ko ato a executive pub and I was say onso ko ye ben major pharmacy akropon akuapem 0242 501279 0242 501279 ofren ya wonsa enso ebeka ye 0242 Institute of Professional Studies at the Mount. Now, also Loma Vista IPS. Now, Obama Kachia, a school papa, Yadia Mofra, and so Remedia School. And also a 1 month equiapem, a remedial school. A 1 month equiapem, Loma Vista Institute of Professional Studies. Brabesua dear, Ubesua Homa, what tre exams wasi, utroye, 1 pass, and a fay. Watchro a year exams now and so still now untumen pass ya I was oko na remediano okotro ewo Loma Vista Institute of Professional Studies na omo be chiro ade ama also why your pabene pa exams no obe pass na wa pass ya pass ni yie na fe also watumi anya ai adwuma pa ye wanya sika e de agu botom eba no programs a eno so omo ya all senior high school courses no omo business, science, general art, home economics, and a visual art. Oko Loma Vista, omo so ebe chiraw ama why your permanent business and a opese usia. Okwa also ombe chiraw exams no betwa a pass science, general art, home economics, and a visual art no ni no ombe chiraw technical programs and also omo and a vocational programs no and also omo Novdek remedials no and also custom enti watchro what's no na wa ankoye open of deck Loma Vista or at the mount vacation classes no and also for double track system no student amoko double track no vacation classes and so honti obaya classes ni na ye Loma Vista and I was also echo hostel available ewo hono a and no 100% pass rate await you enti okwa na say obe pass no 100% assurance so obe chro exams no ama wonso obe pass school e was out oba no ko na okwaginim de na fe chro exams na wotwa no twa ne yie no Loma Vista fa oba no ko na no so onko tua de na afi onko chro social ni twa ne yie from 0 ways number way so 0246 246875 0246 246875 and as a 0243 9766 85 0243 97 66 85 offer Loma Vista Institute of Professional Studies omobejo so for inquiries no o de frɛ na fe omo ne won endi enkomo educate a challenge and inspire eno Loma Vista IPS omo so moto into oba omo be kyerɛ wade pa educate a challenge and so akache accredited agency Emerald omo say oba satellite TV installation omo na eye ho adwuma enti ene ye be install o satellite TV ne diama wa Emerald and I was also odan wani edi ye kire mom enso ho afi eba no wall mount affectioner on be sales of digiboards and also no ebi ho eba no Go TV HD plus decoders and afi DSTV decoder no okwa obenya ni na bi ato ewo Emerald Enterprise omo accredited agency into commercial ye na ombe boa pa wall stickers ebi ho and afi phones and accessories open phone cover open phone nankasa biato open battery and also earpiece and open charger and open and also screen protector ni na oko Emerald Enterprise wonsan ebeka bie yen so ye wo akuapem akropon ye ben edikanfo ye ni omo na ye opposite friend number way na ni indi insta was 0243 180 855 0243 80 0243 1808 55 offer yan won sabe kan na say 054 3 43 75 60 offer Emerald Enterprise so ebejo so higher height hotel honom na ye dadwoje yebo na omampanyin eba impotemu ha baby okoda higher height na onkoda ho mampanyin beda ho enti e chero se hotel no ho ye kama pa abamu panyifo bi omo area ha no omo ba no mpe baby adwodwo omo bo a baby omo da higher height hotel na omo so weda enti won so ko na kona ko jebi na da ko dam papa so kona koda mattress papa enso dan papa mu na wo kwakoda edan mu te anasententan bi anim edan wura bi anu ntonton bi anwew na afa hu cockroaches tafre bia wo ho na mom no baby a ɛhɔ dwo asomdwemuli ɛna wobɛda afilia yes asomdwemuli ɛna wobɛda de afilia nti executive rooms ɛso hɔ yɛwɔ superior de hɔ ɛna standard ne junior ɛne ne yɛkeka ho nyinaa wode wokɔ a baabi a wankasa wahoɔden du no wobɛnya bi ahiafoɔ deɛ wom asikafoɔ deɛ wom ɛna adantamfoɔ deɛ ɛnso yɛwom nti wokɔ a ɛdan no ɛmfa wo ne sika kita wo wobɛnya baabi ɛnso ada fili na akɔnkan ɛde ama facilities no yɛwɔ well equipment conference room a ɛyɛ residential and non-residential area nti wokɔ a conference room kakra a table ɛne nkongwa egugu no ɛhɔ te paa ɛna afei restaurant ɛna bar ɛnso ɛwɔ hɔ nom a continental dishes ne nyinaa ɛne local one wobɛnya bi ɛde standard swimming pool ɛnso ɛwɔ higher height hotel na afei event center for wedding receptions ɛnso ɛyɛ ade a etumi ɛkɔ so ɛnso ɛwɔ hɔ nti kɔ na kɔgye event center no fa yɛ wudwumadi ahorow social event nyinaa no ɛkɔ so other services no swimming lessons ɛnso ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ higher height na woyɛ panyin a 1 month wotua 500 Ghana cedis na yɛakyerɛ how a wobɛswimi anaasɛ ɔkwan a wobɛfa so aguare nsu nti mi sɛ yɛ minimum nsu aguare yi ɔwɔ sɛ mekɔtua 500 cedis na mekɔkɔsua 1 solid month ɛna yɛbɛkyerɛ wo abɔfra yɛ 300 Ghana cedis ɛnso ɛwɔ hɔ no Mondays to Friday 1 month yɛde bɛkyerɛ wo ɔkwan a wobɛfa so asua nsuo aguare free wifi ɛna afei DSTV ɛwɔ hɔ Latte Junction VIP Junction ɛwɔ ɔdehyɛ Yawasante yɛbɛn manfi akuapɛm frɛ yɛn wɔ number wei so 0577 68 5603 0577 68 5604 0548 66 61 82 anaasɛ 0362 29 0717 ofrɛ higher height hotel a mpanyinfoɔ ɛnso yɛbɛgye so kama na bibia konkan enso etumi ade amayan ko ebekwa agropama nso enche bia na yakọ na fe hotel akaja egumo ofe tosumi no nya ahase e na batma mi pesika so etumi ade ngu botomu kakra agropama nso ready food enso sebra ready food eye app a yade ehwehwe aduane na uko gogo app no so a anase apple eye store no wonsan ebeka bienti ready food ukwa ne yasa wa download eye omo app no na fe won so wa place order aduane ben na opɛ ready food say okomo de wana wa de aduane no enso bebrɛ ene promotion na ekoso enti okoman 22 eye promo code a wobɛbɔ ɛwɔ app no so promo code no okoman 22 and also no between 10 to 70% of every purchase also be no that's one san ebeka party da wo and as for any chiremo already food akache na apply aduane no so kama enso ewo app no so be no that's one san ebeka party special promo cost free food for Tuesdays and Friday bia only 2 Ghana cedis so the benya aduane adi enso already food akache edu chrome to Aburi road no cost one ye bo adwuma nti yentra Aburi yenso a yentra du chrome Ghana cedis so the benya aduane adi enso eba no location enso dia yebutu old council na ewo fire service that demo and as a council that demo you been fire service ekropon friend was 0595 24 17 19 council 0595 24 17 19 no friend ya one san enso ebeka ready food omu na boyen ena yade eye agopama so en somewhere ye live commentary no e de every kata e de ebrewo ofa tosu mienu ahase asima baako ekomienu entemu eni adwoa ewa ha ma menja adwenkyere na ansa na fe yenko fa live commentary no and to also expectation for second half adwoa.
Expectation is that Tunisia has to win this game. They should try and face Australia with all their to say nyombe to me ayebia winning game with there was somewhere because as an African there Tunisia na was a winning game with mame. I hope say coach no pansema trauma that would help them to win the game because you to me na Emma Australia embe topic group no and I say
embe winning jet 3 points no
Tunisia our African one of our African champions na say African no akaye kakre bi wo ma and I nyina ye bekwa it doesn't bright well. Intimidate all I want to see this second half is a win for Tunisia.
win for Tunisia until Yeuram commentary time at Waso. Enti yasan atenase etu Janet Yama wo baby bia wo Okuma Radio 97.1 Pa Solo Paradise. The guy with the romantic voice on your radio no pay me na me dey live commentary no. Enso eti Yama we eke adwoa na wote omonka se eba ni chirechire mu no a omo chirechire bibia mu ma wote ase. Ene ekro bia sante akwakan zigi hu control room. Ena omo control ni oma no a edi gumusa. Enti sa adwuma ne de ye mo baako. Enti wo bo akakra aha beda ho a e wasa ukoboa na bibia nso koyie. Enti ene ekro bia asante wa free dem ha ena wa kwehye control room ho. Ena wode ye nko social media wo to ya apeti ba bia Facebook Okuma Radio 97.1 eno ya Facebook afei YouTube Okuma Radio 97.1 Hot Oven of La Okuma Nyanko Kata 2022 live commentary 49 minutes approaching 50th minute and still Tunisia 0 Australia 1 a infringement Ecuador Tunisia Slitty ya chana dina jura honti referee waje infringement adi yama omaya ni di adi Tunisia the Carthage Eagles of Tunisia wamune omaya Australia na di ebu anim omo yasa nyama ba konkan nanso omo chechere a entumi nsipo omo de tare a entumi ntare na awai the Beyonce person qualify by World Cup omo banso group stage no ma free omo ma afoforo kwan omo person omo basa omo ba mpensia na omo ba no group stage a na omo best round of 16 kromo nkoda Slitty ejina free kick echi adima Tunisia 50 minutes Slitty ejina bo na chi dima omaya ni din answade Tunisia 50 minutes 50 seconds and ayabo wasane bo no tra kwa wiem goalkeeper wababa pembo no etiama Australia man Michel Duke we jamo de maninia na sudabi Tunisia fa no ababe wuro ma jibo ne tempa Tunisia omuda so search forward Tunisia man no ena ba manim ewese nyama ba kwankan enso tumi ade mamo ewo benkuma famusa edema oman Tunisia na so Australia fa no so ababaje wamuso boya anko Tunisia asen awuram Tunisia odaso ekuta bona search forward e wase asa ni fafam wadane no nipa bia no betumi abitia na so e attacking throw kwadiama omaya ni din edi Tunisia asam Jebali wonu na winning throw no wakwajibo no wawura box nim na so Australia for na club lines Tunisia betumi abo Australia wabomu tuma dia fia chiro okra e fa we kwadiama omaya ni din edi Tunisia I saw Ladwani yakotia na so Indian center referee from Germany Daniel Sabet was whistled for infringement and FIFA law 12 what the year Juma Diatia omaya ni din edi Australia e kasafa fouls and misconduct Etienne yedi adwuma etia Australia otia brantia ne nan so
asolo FIFA yi law bi eni ho se wo dive ya ye nji penalty and wo dive be punish so wo dive sese na si Ronaldo dive ye law bi eni ho sa dive ne ana o ye Ronaldo ntia There be so FIFA laws infringement.
It's
your be nice wa. Was say a punish.
I say a foul.
If FIFA law ni hose, we shut that dive here. And the idea of diving.
Oh, diving a referee no say. When we shut that dive here. O to me ma yellow.
The referee no patch say when who.
O to me ma
yellow. Ronaldo shut that dive. Oh sir. Say the names ni we na ye djuma. We did ni di ho. Yo.
Or your champion man.
Yo.
Still gonna want to am say. But we dey Scotland dey am FIFA.
Na ye me ya no. Say even you investigate crana say officiating you're wrong and obi ye bibia it doesn't affect the scoreline no na ho and na ya eye me ya no e was an komo ye say we ye bibi na investigate na say hu a it should affect the scoreline so that next time no obi so nye bi we should start from Ghana Premier League till baby so na FIFA o ja no trust na affect him club ya diving ya Ronaldo diving e was so obi wo ho na punish Ronaldo.
Look, better also what I be a punishment.
No, infringement in the emoji.
Punishment are referee the man answer one who say what dive into on Jim
Obama and
Obama yellow card and no happen.
Minister your mo can referee or share see.
54 minutes. And I am of fire toss me in Krabia Sante. We free control room when they atwaya wa. Minim so ni eke edin se sound ni eke edin se sana.
Akrobia you okay? Solo? Akrobia you okay?
Minimum po.
Okay.
Okay.
Referee Ghana and Portugal game was fair in every single decision you take.
Me who ayi VAR no ede no. Ombo ni mu bia ni we offside.
I think this is a very tough situation for team
Tunisia.
An African team and Ocean very difficult.
Tunisia pain.
Former Abranta Yefreno we the buy no former Tunisia they buy in their first game to me. Yeah. Yes, very difficult moment for Tunisians, our African brothers. Ocean former one more they buy anyhow I almost started in one more tournament na one more opener as against Denmark, you who say one more show in question say going forward one more to me make a very good case for themselves because these are Danes are one more banana Ocean group are one more any teams to be a one more to me overcome one more so far as European competitions are concerned now from now one more now now so one more to me squeeze a point in between one money Denmark first game no now near shane say meeting Australian side France for at a one more pass ya and can to me for advantage now one to me in your 1 more 3 points over these Australians now can wait to me put you more in a pole position ahead of one more next encounter one more France but obviously so final in a group consisting of Denmark France you will struggle to qualify because of their pedigree anyhow one more team TCC in terms of materials available one more top notch ahead of Tunisia and so far as I wait to me a drawn game against one of the toughest opponents in the group you go all out now the team are no minus our PM in the group no be to me a genuine points one once we share and way to me open but I think that it has become a very difficult moment for Tunisians and also how Australia started against France and France in India and the materials are one more that time and I want to me over 10 scoreline in now 4 goals had it not been that I got the note Australians in started our first goal against France it took France players one more that energy one more that zeal the experience and the character and quickly one to me a reflective results on necessary your mama one to me winning by 4 goals to 1 had it not been that it would have been a different story and that particular day do one lose by 4 goals but wow she game ni mubia say they defended so well they played so well one more she womuniama and Tunisia I think say a very difficult for them a danger amount to me at Womuka and one be brain so one counter attack and also be to me cause another stay at the amount they should be compact they should be one more awareness ewo echire wono in terms of protecting the back any midfield no any attack once no the little chance I won't to me create no was say ehun na womo and finding the back of the net into me mbwa and yes I think say womo lose this particular game the progressing from the group stages it would have been automatically over for the Tunisians.
Eno aya krobia na woten nkano here to a game na so 58 minutes. Facebook Okuman Radio 97.1 Okuman Radio 97.1 ewo Facebook YouTube Okuman Radio 97.1 okwa subscribe ewo YouTube afei uko Facebook like page no comment share ma obi so enya bi na ono so enhwe me bibiara wo bia ye to a game no eso bono ekita Tunisia omu wuram ewo Australia for na fam Tunisia wajemu adamani nia ewo benkuma famu wasoro asa akwa line no so ekọ Australia 18 box name wawura box name obetumi across na wa cross goalkeeper wadene sapem edi ato nchan baby Australia for na babafa ewo muso mu benkum so wapeja bona sisem center circle etira kwawiam ababedi Tunisia for the nchan wa pia adamani nia ewo kankono echire sa deko esoro wasani bole motete de ko benkum afam Abrante was 24 jersey Ali Abdi wa cross ball no dem Tunisia Australia for na bomb tum what did it apem ma je fi wo kra ntie train na yeto ade atia Australia man no o ma to bani temper inside the center circle Tunisia one more search forward still around the center circle ababedi far right na so Australia Abrante na to control Tunisia ina be wuram sliti wafade mani nia wasane moteten who is there to connect obi enu amane Australia fa no so abomutum e de afia kire atrashia referee aje de ma Tunisia wo ma tunen temper attacking throw Tunisia for the kitabo no wasane de be kire around the center circle the command goalkeeper wadema ni goalkeeper amen daman wono so asade body moteten ede yakob benkuma fam sa ababedi Tunisia womo na daso yakita Abrante wono ade Abrante ni trinwi ku ha waya Jerry ni tinwi na ya Jerry ena gu ni tiri so wajebo no dandan ho obi anim so be ma pass be bi obobo ne fire no go post no kra member bia Sasi ena waya se adwuma no men baby bengo post no she intene eye go kika ye body etia Tunisia Australia for the bobo ne temper 60 minutes akodi asro Tunisia for the kitabo na ba omanim e wo benkum so ne Australia for the wo munifa so attacking throw for Tunisia 61 minutes Tunisian Shebi Australia Shabako Hot Oven Ofla Okuman Radio Yanko Kata 2022 FIFA World Cup and then first game Echwegunie Nemo World Cup ni name no way a game atoso duonu ebako 21 games and as matches and etumi Echwegu enye easy enye kuya Nemo ayagro dadia fire buofa and a man for the Jinamwa Bonabedi Tunisians now so ya Jeffrey some infringement tamto ya to ediatia Oman Australia watubo no entampa ejamu ediama ninia akase onu so be passe ababedi center ne enchansa eba ni fam de Australia and I said Tunisia mo Australia for the benkum so amoso boy anko Tunisia for na senyaje bona ififi wa na gina fifia ne asane mu ko line so ne asenya ba ififi eno na second half afani no mienu na eye eno na afani no mienu na eye wasane body motete te tra kwa wi panya Tunisia for na pem Australia for na around the center circle kan koni mu na so referee Daniel Sabet waje Ediama Omayani de Ensuade Tunisia Abranta de scary one aje match bi di ahye n'anim saa ono ne ekobu ni dwira ho Michel Duke the goal getter wo free ama enei Abranta fofora ba beham Duke wo free Michel Duke wo free Madiama Australia 14-15 na ma free Abranta didi Duke ene Magri oma frama McLaren ene hwan hostel se edi no kra hu omu na abam now edi ya now enti se na be pronounce ni bia yellow card for Tunisia Ali Abdi wanya yellow card Ali Abdi wanya yellow card diama Omaya ni di edi Tunisia e African kamo ho din mudu one stage mudu min perform sia kai masasa kura de bu fre he a CAF Champions League, CAF Confederation Cup near about Tunisian club. Was here West African clubs now. Ghana for Yeshio Mani Bressa, ye Trifayabo. Your question of corner. Omo man Nipakura Habain Watiawi. Mubedu one stage here. Common Australia, the best round of 16. Muntumi Enshano. Anche Tunisia Bayan Sakrai. Just Africa they call what Ghana and the ABBO. So now the Ghana the first country where Africa was share 2 goals to be. Yeah, for more bra. More Nigeria no money more Maka qualifying back. Not Africans and I nimu cry. Egypt but Gini do Africa will do what that. And fa.
Most in Africa,
Right.
because Mokala are different from the black man.
And so money almost she also want to mean so. Yeah, na ye tuntum no na ye so.
Aye. Mukoshia mo fellow colored we are not Tunisia. Australia balls are how? I share Katakra to be Tunisia. Katabufua. Katabufua.
Obesha.
You see Mohammed and Dra or say on the next game on Bayadi. It's not because the Netherlands no. Matters omit me but Qatar will play a different game. Because the last minute, who is unfair no for. The son of a bonnet be our born.
Oh, you saw a free way. Oh, do then see I will be boo.
Yeah.
Oh, couldn't you?
I won't finish after me outre.
Simadio Sia in Sia. Any about 66 minutes. Tunisia Australia boxing no more. Ya jino na ni musa ya mano kwai. Ya mano kwai. Asam Jabali. Ya mano kwai. Ene ye ya brante ndi Aisa la douane Efrim. Sporting number 14 Jesse Ediama Tunisia. Wano Efrim. Ama number 10 shattered man. Sakora ma minim yenti kura coach na yo de netra bench. Ne modemo wa soro papa. Kazi wabam. Waya de papa. Minim yenti coach no kura starting from bench.
Answer coming to your master. After you've been scored, the latter part, now they are back. I was waiting for the Americans to be tired. And
answer na wa introduce
really? You are waiting for somebody to be tired. Well, I'm not going to school.
But they do baby am school no. Eso ejuma no enye na ye chiro am school no mo ye. Club ya kazi abam.
Yeah. Evetumi aboa omo attacking fluidity no kakra because I don't know, maybe on Sheda and you fully fit coming into this tournament proper because against them I can who say enya dia coach ni crab and be Bobby and now 67-minute time when we say ne hu be hia ekakra, so meaning there could be something of which I ain't any idea about, because for what because being the captain for the side, you know, we need any morning ball as an attacker. They obey to me this Tunisian side, you know, but yet he's been put on the bench for a longer period in their first game going to Myanmar, and this particular fixture too going to me a starting nod, and I think that there could be something different of which I ain't. And for now, yeah, share the honors already. I personally believe so. To me, something good to me. They up to the Tunisian, if nothing at all, at least one be to me squeeze another draw. The way I want more bono. If they are to take their chances, I want more creative so far now. At least they won't go home empty-handed after this 90 minutes.
Wabi Kazi. Wano Ababesham Adiama Oman in Tunisia, 31 years of age. Wosiakan Edima Montpellier Bobokono. Now, afi the year 2022-2023 season, wa appear 11 times. Ediama Montpellier was starting 8. Was 2 goals, ama 1 assist. Yellow card 2, red card there 1 GB. The modern more I was so pass or about Tunisia national team ni moi with dear Grobesha Wabi Kazi Sporting 10 Jesse Ediama Tunisia yet one game na so born no kita Tunisia wa jamu Adama Kazi na sudabi ne pass no anko nanka wahwehwe ni nua ni de Isam Jabari Australia for no control na mfa akwakodi Tunisians almost a crab on the 69 minutes around the center circle. Tunisia for the Suekura. Wapia Ediama number 4 man Maria. One also a Jemo at the car in 50. Abedia Chile, Santa Lano, Kankono and Chansa. Personal and to me uncle Islam. One to me unfa, one abedi. On my Australia, almost a cra, or bet me a bit in the Macanana. But Sanimo who is there? Tunisia for Naje, where Jemu Ediama Ninia Kama, one also a Dantana Brown a person uncle. I'm Australia for the Swababefa. That's what I be. Wabi Kazi was a referee at Somata Diamenti Wunjimami. Referee said me who she and Twaso, chance for Australia, where Rabos in my cross. My goodness. Cross na baye ama brante ne to no ho na so na yanka enampo na ni mu pe ka wo shaya anka asi o anka dwuma na si ama Tunisia ajugo ai mo ma peto ama me ewie ya am da to ama Tunisia ajugo ama wo sima edioson e ba ko Tunisian Shebi, Australia, Ashabako, Tunisia wabo short up goalkeeper na pu. Line so abrante na se akwa fa cross over the tete. Etra kwa wiem ni pamiansa. Obi eti antumi anka ball no. Australia for na pem afie akire. Ababedi Tunisia for ni champion e wa akire sa. Waka kanani wasane mo tete na de ko benkum afam. E wasoro abrante ne so age ato Tunisia was surging forward. What better than more? When Jemo or shot. No problem at all. Edma goalkeeper run. Goalkeeper for Oman Australia. Sakni and the Deacon ball shot to the man goalkeeper the puye. And no coco fire. And no sign. And my pass no more boy and so. Keeper ni chene kwa abrante na kan boy ya anka enu no what a sweet cross atone na no nanso amfa otwe na no lucky wono ana tone na no so na yan kan boy no Tunisia sa yan sakra ya bien Abom number 9 man Sakora Asam Jebali Wofrim Jebali Afrim Sansuna Onia Washa number 6 Jesse one also Afrim Brown one also Afrim Ama Kanesi any Wonia Swabem Sameka Wonia Edino Muhammad Bamao Sima Edioson Amiensa 73 minutes. Still Tunisia 0, Australia 1. So bibi pebi betumi afi Nazareth. Abana. Senya Yesu Nazareth ni no abaya no. Bibi pebi betumi afi Nazareth. Asanya basha Tunisia na. Emranen Krabia ana betre abrantia wono asa 21 jersey waji kagri da wono ana ba mu no wato bona mo mapem na so sakni ena wa complain sa wa ye quiet wo gam ni me she da hu ni ye sakni so we will be anya ohwe wa na do tin chen head ball abrante nisu Tunisian supporter wosu asinti yedi ntwa na kata yede ana ye kofie but 1 point the last game against France se beye no wa wini no so kra ni asam against France no se beye abrante washe atadie nama enum wa free mama di Janek number 2 wa beshem ediama omaya di enso wade Australia ama Frank Karasik ono so afrim bono ekita wabi kazi na so infringement ekodiama no referee say yembo fenti Australia 75 minutes 15 more minutes to go bono ekita Tunisia abedi far right edema Tunisia wasande bono motete brika baba wa box nim na so goalkeeper run babi ojina na bono abedu nanim no wache oha no ho kra wato edema ninia Sporting number 16 jersey behind na so yajibo na dey free nsam throw yeto adietia Australia attacking throw mato ball no dey kwa chire mo beto akomu no ofe na mutu akwa chire say yakwasha ase inti Tunisia wasadi kwa chire jama no goalkeeper amen daman wonu so asadi ball mo tete Australia final pem wo mu kura ball no ball mani Australia around the center circle with Germany ni beautiful watwe nipa mi saw the ball na from mama pass Australia be dia siasa e wo benkuma fam wo betumi ayeten wonu so Germany ni a wo mo search forward Australia falling at pass na de ma mo sa ti sania osofo cheche communion wa sorry dem no sa Australia falling che ball de ma mo na Tunisia fo se ya he ne ha ye ma mo kwan o mo so agye hwe ya ma kwan kura Abrantia wo be manche ye wo she 23 jersey Edema Australia Sliti Debi Sliti wo Tunisia ene wono wakomu amfa wakoma amfa Matthew Lucky wati agopama no so na wonsa watwe hosu na bafam Matthew Lucky oya so ko cross ball bi na Tunisia brante ya didi Edemaria eso ko tia ne na no so tiwote agopama no so eja ya rehwe ye twentwen akansie no so sima edioson enson ene abo hot oven of la Okuman radio Yanko Kata 2022 hot oven bread hot oven bread. Erade na ye bakery. Omo na de hot oven bread no e de aba. Eye sugar bread, butter bread, brown bread, fruit bread, cake bread, sandwich, burger, ni na o sabeka bi. Meat, fish, pass, ni na no. Ubenya bi enso ewo hot oven, open cake and chips are hot oven kwana eye ni ye. Amanfo bi dia omo ye no. Eya na nwa no aye dada. Wo de kan wanu na ase anwa na nyinya bi sa no. But hot oven dia de ente sa. Omo nwa no emu nche. Emu ye de. Enti o de fry sam no a eye kama papa ti kope di kope bi na di eba the pastries dia hot oven 0544 10 70 16 0544 10 70 16 16 so wo frɛ hot oven a tema matayeko ewo akosomo quantum point so ewa na mo so ewo omo be Omari hospital then so delivery service no ho omo ba Ghana for na ba bi omo ko ni nya so ba fra keke omo ba brewa duan ni bi bread nkwa de a eye hot oven 79 minutes still Tunisia down by a goal to nothing. Australia are leading by a goal to nothing. 79 minutes approaching 80th minute. Bono kita Tunisia waba echire sa jemo de maninia watone boase center circle area ekura Tunisia fo nan kakra on the bottom ba echire wasan ya pia jemo de maninia biem. Tunisia Africa Africa be ye nie World Cup ye be jibi na che pe bola ye kwa ye boyi die krobia ye nyan jibi
ebeche ba nse ye tutu ye nyoma yi a enyoma betumi akonkan ni nyina no down to the West African side, you know, talking of the black colors, you know, those with the black skin, because impact I make your World Cup, you know, Cameroon no to me it make into quarterfinals before Ansana Ghana in 2010. Ghana and Suberi quarterfinals. These are two countries one more to me a very good result so far as FIFA World Cup are concerned to African continent and the African nations, of which are and as of whom they've had the opportunity to participate in this competition. And I think say Nina no issue clear in modern boy kono this North Africans, you know, in terms of the African Cup of Nations are but domestic tournament are Africa hanede one to me dominate a superior over this West Africans, you know, any Central Africans, you know, but whenever you do the world stage in Ankasano, one more presence, you know, and yeah, to me a fairly one more presence ye, and the likes of Egypt even finding it very difficult to qualify. The likes of Morocco, one more quite Nyoma and Shadamfa, Tunisia, Algeria, you are on and off, one more qualify back, one more console and Nyoma into me Emfa. So I think say Nina no rely on the physicality of blacks, you know, and then on enable by the physical aspect, and only to me about the South Americans now one more to me really work up on any other South Americans, you know, very physical. One more about do Brazil, you Brazil say one more about skillful play, but let's not forget say a band of strength, one more a solid, one more solid papa. Naturally, South Americans, you know, one more thing. Likewise, the Europeans no better one more say akokono, but eduya wo move to me are no win the background the machine grammar say feature to me sana wo mo so to me akoye. And I think say World Cup, you know, it has been dominated by the South Americans and the Europeans, you know. The 8 countries are wo to me agye South Americans and that of Europeans, you know, and wo to me agye, but enimu year the ebe den say African countries, you know, ebe to me abuakum, because in your man said I am conquering players are yebenya wo no esane sedia continent nankasa etinu ntino players do na make sure say wɔn bɛ bɔ ɛde ama these Europeans and other countries and he say do baby na wɔn di nye bi mu a na efe wɔn return ɛde aba this ubekaya Jose Mourinho make a case say sanka FIFA ɛbɛyɛ straight on say we African a untumi naturalize boy ma ubroni bi abo Africa wa because yenya players a enera na meka Memphis Depay asem wagya atum say we Ghanaian unya every single break bi a Ghana ha na wote u parent ni ade wa ha but we say we boy de ama Netherlands but we Ghanaian u pay bribia anything a ehia say citizen be ye de ama nema bia we mu man fofra wo feel say ho na wo then what is the business ye me yeso so say we Ghana ni Antonio Rudiger Syria non onamo Europe ni ade nyina odi bebi akwa onfa mi hu so kura Germany flag da but osi akan wo national side no sima the diamond shaft but ni bibi oye bia no Sierra Leone niama oye ne foundation bibia wa besisi wo Sierra Leone ho ana ne maame ne ebusuafo nyina efia ne nanom nyina ate you see so Mourinho ka say bi say sanka FIFA bem share ne kitten say bibia wo no ho ana obetumi esi akan a anka yebenya great talent players a womo nso etumi aba especially womo a womo si akama France especially bibria womo be yebenya womo ba be si akama Cameroon Senegal and the likes yenhwe Inaki Williams ni nua Nico Williams abrofo no womo ye very fast and say technology and science ni bibia anti no womo sua de na duanima efe ne yensu ye follow kakra obeka ya hwe Jerome Boateng case no any Kevin Prince Boateng hwe de epesa abrante friend no Jerome Boateng ebo di kodui so what I say hwe epesa Jerome Boateng ebo di kodui wo mu hu say oya abrante bia ne talent no was rupi Edison ni Kelvin and Kelvin be PM ewo Ghana ha because no onya collapse onya that attention no ewo the German national team no hwe young chap Nico Williams any Inaki Williams then born na Inaki Williams symbol but technically the fish at who say abrante friend of Nico Williams no or you very young but there was immediately now one more in the major tournament to fend off any interest from Ghana say one more be naturalize the young chap on so their kind meaning say boy no and osha really boy any talent no exerting that of ne brother Inaki Williams you know so say petty things we na one more be very young into always be a young case no even players eduan yebe di bia yankase and it say it ye be bre for African team to win the World Cup there I think say a very long way to go ye nyina ye hwe but it all lies with proper structures any measures yen penny for federations na womo e make any young football association no those heads no leaders no ebe put proper measures from government side na ene no the football federation so at the side about together I think say ebe to me build a formidable solid na yenja is a personal interest ne agency collapse ne sa nyoma no the way ye nyoma wa ha no ni nyina kan ana ntumi mboa but I think say with the right measures putting in place proper structures putting in place I think it won't take that much. It won't take that much longer than said young to me spend the last 22nd edition of African Ibian to me every year. And you should him say the following 22nd edition, I ever called the 44th edition of World Cup there. I'm expecting at least, if nothing at all, yes, one African country obey to me a clinch the Mundial to me this in Anzo.
And no Aya Krobia Asante. Akasiman 9 adwa Africa Beji World Cup we can kakra na bedi amaye ni eye idie
unya me campo oh hey na Australia omo match to Tunisia pa o
Tunisia na asa
when kanisa
oh yes
Tunisia won say ban Africa on share and sansa
but oba world awasa
hey omo ya wa hwe goalkeeper isu egu
omo chances ben omunya
chances but Australia has proved say tournament no so almost on be tire bibi be ya say be pon we na Tunisia to me nya any hey
Australia
but well it's football and
I'm sure that more boss nko bia
Africa Krobia kanina we need to rewrite all our wrongs how to select players and yet obi do abrochire na oye we are most at times so to say it's a talent near discover omo and after omo ba for Mpenyifo or whoever will take them. They ask them 1 or 2 things before they would come. Maybe at that time, no now home so here. It's nipa no so hosola no ye. They do a fin of a patch or same patch of bomb, of course not, because we'll be in Bekika. It is any man in an idea. Also do a straw hard to say Muhammad now or Katam. Also a person of all because of the atmosphere and conditions now. I think the black man dear, we have a long way to go. Long way to go.
Yeah, well, quite be too. I can't be a day anymore. Yenyanji World Cup Africa. Because in who country are? But me, baby, Senegal, yeah, quite so your favorite. Okay, Ghana Mokura Ankaye. Ghana, say, ye baby Kakra and Lusu Anaja. You coach tactics and be so uncle and you do so. And I am players and mentality of the general park and so I had this free. Players and mentality also now are firm.
Foreign teams you know so much.
Yes.
Now, at the back one over here more Asians you know, say no the energy level, the mentality I want de bobo to see no. Even Michelle him say, "Anye ye cry ye benya a surprise winner or World Cup ede da yenima ye be kono from the Asian land." They say we share how one more is here kinda utum say gradually they are picking up per year and only be to me about young that opportunity. Say yensu young players no ebe ball in the same league are these foreign players no so ebo. Young players are and no copy more Brazil players are all mobile from the Brazilian Super League in Muno. Yeah, the same players are woman free other continent are woman Asia kind. Ube Remo Europe crowd as they say they yanka. They say even African players are woman dominating Europe no. Yanka. So they should also find that mentality no say yenu one but it seems say share games na ye bona clearly. Unum say team my friend of Germany was sampa only form in terms of Bibia. One more started one more new generation, you know. After say one we win World Cup 2014, you know, new generation. I almost started a new man called kind farmer Joachim Low Jumani to one now and see flicker beton and nice, you know. Everything looks clearly say they are under a certain progressing way method. She no ma be on, but the name Germany in that one African teams. Germany, they will give them that maximum respect, you know, on the field of play. Now, when that momentum, you know, that energy level, now to me, they are matching at the abo. And petty errors, minor errors on that be a you know. Now, if you you see, so our mentality as Africans, you know, I think there's nowhere ube to me the way we think and the way I hear nyoma ube to me ye film as to so far as I am football so I concerned. So the mentality nankasa no has to change with regards to say any this year match this South Americans any the Europeans, you know.
Your mentality they say as samum and the cement your crony na so ya the cement sia to so amene ya boy musima bakwe ko sima mienu one na Australia that's where kitam Tunisia Australia boxing apre yes no more pre wabi kazi wo boya Australia brand bi de waje amene wakwa fa ball no kra Australia omu kitabo na be omanim wasanim na sudabi Tunisia for intercept e ba brand and sent referee age foul wamano yellow card Afro Jerryman Sassi Sporting 13 Chelsea Yediama Tunisia wanya yellow card inti yebo edietia Tunisia Fejani Sassi wachadi tina sine waja egusuku ha eye Jerry nti esensen nanimu sa yabo sima nsia ne mu sima mienu akasima nan bɔne kita Tunisia fo mo akyire hɔ ɔgyemu agyema ne nua to ne bo ase ɔno nso apia de aba ase asa Sporting number 21 jersey for Tunisia wama pass de ma ne nua wasan de ma ne so Australia for na intercept obibini black man tum ogyemu sia kan de ma Australia wa hwɛ ho tuntum ne nkrɔfo fita yi bɔ bola kromo na afri Africa na mbɛbɔ kromo na afri bɔne kita Tunisia for adeɛ ɔmo kora ɔmo so ɔmo yɛ Africans ɔmo so ɔmo so yɛ fita nkɔkɔ nti nso ɔmo ba ɔmo nkrɔfo ɔmo na ɔmo yɛ kala kora ɔmo ntumi Tunisia, Morocco, Egypt, Algeria saa nkrɔfo yi na aso mo fi Africa nso yɛ ne mo an ɛbɔ AFCON edu AFCON amo ho dedenden yɛbɔ CAF competition bi a mo ho dedenden yɛdu world stage a yɛn tuntumfo yi a mo mbu yɛn no yɛn na yɛyɛ adwuma no sima mmiɛnsa ɛna aka mmienu koraa sima nsia no yɛbɔ mu nan still Tunisia da fam ɛka baako mo ntumi ante yɛ bɔɔl wɔ Tunisia akyire hɔ ɔmo bɔ ɔmo anim wɔ piapia ba n'ani sɛ nipa mmienu pɛ na wɔ Tunisia fo n'akyi ɔmo na kɔ Australia fo ne area hɔ na sɛ Australia fo ne gye na ɔmo bɔ si mu a ɛne yɛbɛhwɛ ne ɔbɛ fight for ball Sakni captain wawi ne throw wafa bɔ ne ntɛpa ato asan aba bɛdi Sakni wɔ biem ogyinagyina bɔ ne so pushi de ba n'anim wakɔ so aba mu tententen de aba ase asa aba bɛdi ne nuansa wɔne so agya mo na so na ɔhyɛ wabikazi ba ye menhyɛ dan hu ne yie wayɛ mmerɛ 31 years oh wago menhyɛ dan mi hu Ronaldo no mo kura wɔ 37 ɔmo the experience ni na mu a de win penalties ɔno de ne structure ne sɛ ya ne form sɛ ya nɔte ɔno ɔmfɔn ɔnyɛ kɛseɛ ne bi nka ho kɛseɛ ne sɛ ya wɔkorɔ so na so da bi Australia fo na pem afiri hɔ Tunisia asan bɛdi Australia box na so ma bɔ mu tum beam nation saa 1 minute akai eye tuntum nko ani ɛbɛbɔ Australia ɛbɛbɔ to my kind wa bɔ mu tum obibini blackman odibirika digidi hwɛ one man so wo kopo ni mu mo Australia obibini ɔno kura bibifo adwene bi wɔ ni tiri wa ko lusu bɔ no sɛni ayɛ yi deɛ anyɛ yie nea wɔfiri nea wɔtie o ne nyinaa paa bobo anyɛ yie mfama Tunisia anyɛ yie simansia na so yɛbɔ some seconds 6 seconds 7 seconds 8 9 10 11 seconds 12 13 referee Daniel Sabet from Germany was saying about the Kansini na Benawiye and African brothers Tunisia Amadincho Amadumia winning Adwa 1-0.
So it's sad. It's very, very, very sad. Very, 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 very sad. Congratulations to Australia. They've proved. So they really came to play the World Cup. They came to a tournament. Unfortunate for our African brothers, Tunisia. They only shine when they are within the African terrain. On the world stage, who are you? Well, that's it. Congratulate Australia once again. Oh my idea. You better say around 16 on between alcohol now. But as an African and as a Ghanaian, I'm disappointed.
Yeah, very good game. Hana and then you're going to me actually. I think say group 4 p.m. no the same group France and Denmark and so about group Denmark ekuta 1 point and so Lucy to France he would have the opportunity to play against Australia, and Australia, it looks likely on paper say Denmark able to me and Shaomo. Now the next game for Tunisia would be against defending champions France, which it doesn't look likely for even Tunisia to me squeeze a point in that particular fixture. So let's see. From here, France to me we need a numerate game we are against Denmark. They will go up by 6 points, leaving Australia behind 3 points, then 1 point each to Denmark and team of friend Tunisia. And I think that from there, AB and France to me go on same because of injury situations are one more finding in their camp. No, one way to me go near mem kakra, men to me ama setting hope to team of friend Tunisia. But I think that it will be a very difficult tie for Tunisia so to me advance from the group stage.
Wednesday, about France. Easy game. But you discussing matches here, Kakrana Fe. I'm sorry. 1 p.m. Poland and Saudi Arabia.
Saudi Arabia, one first game, one boy in that particular group, consisting of Saudi Arabia, Mexico, Argentina, and Poland. I think that Saudi Arabia had a very good game. They enjoyed their Cinderella moment against Argentines, because it was a game that doesn't look likely. Say at the end of the 90 minutes, it will going to be a Saudi Arabian win over Argentina. Almighty Argentina with the likes of Lionel Messi, Angel Fabian Di Maria, all the gallants in world football. One more ever in their disposal, but one more to me Philly after taking an early lead. That is in the first half. In the second half, they let themselves down, and in the Australians, very strong. I won't be that 2 quick goals, and from there they defended so well to prevent the attacking third passes and the attacking powers of Argentines, and I know to me I'm 3 points. Me can say everything biano first game over bono send a signal to other opponents. It is a statement you've written down, making sure say the other opponent they will even prepare extra hard than said the anka normal, and on paper said they na look say Saudi Arabia the one board that argument it will change from that perspective. So I'm looking forward to say now Polish they had a very good game against Mexico, very physically game way to me a boy in that fixture, squeezing a point in that particular game. I think it's a plus at the mark both teams. Now one more Saudi Arabia team one momentum was through the energy level, the zeal, and the sense of urgency. I want to be grass a particular game we was through papa upon everything. I want to me in their first game. I want winning with lots of promises. In new room, Prince of Saudi Arabia, Sheikh of Saudi Arabia, a lot of promises, and I need these leaders, a promising players, and I think that even a draw, Saudi Arabia am buy into this particular game for with the notion say at all cost there was a winning. They will make sure say even if they concede the first goal, they will go by the tangent against Argentina, making sure at the end of the 90 minutes there they will get the equalizer. And maximally, we to me the ultimate win. Nothing at all. This particular game. Me who say a drawn game and I want to show him 4 points. It puts you in a certain position, security in terms of progressing from the group stages, and so you're so high. Into 3 points, and I say a point in one more 3 points already. I think that it would help them. And this particular game, a very tough game for that of the Polish. But Polish, as European team, I want more here in Asian side. One more the men, the likes of Zielinski, Robert Lewandowski, Grzegorz Krychowiak, they have the men. On any given day, one move to me, say one more arise to the occasion, one move to me, I punish any other team. And so it will be a very difficult game, a very nice, good game, especially Oshadia, Saudi Arabia to me, Toma in their game against Argentina.
Okay, 4 p.m. France, Denmark.
Yes, that is a group already young can once because they are in the group against Tunisia and Australia, and they can't how that particular game will be to me. France, if you name say obey to me, I continue the winning run or share or from a go down or to me by winning by 4 goals as against Australia. Olivier Giroud, Kylian Mbappe, Lotin, Osman Dembele, and Antoine Griezmann. Ejuma wamu ye winning one in the midfield. Ye one Messi, Abrante Freno, Paul Abile Pogba, any General Angolo Conte. No ni na yeni musebe koso stay ediama especially wamu Finfino and ya dia that strong and against even Australia no you say midfield no lack that combo no lack that double pivot Ejuma Ngolo Kante ni Pogba de bema no enye no na Orelem Chouamini any that of Henry Rabiot ebe to mediama or midfield but it was a game ana one Australia no but any other team biana in terms of quality no one quality level very low compared to that of France. You know, I think France to me it take that advantage in maximum 3 points. No, but this game it would be a different ball game altogether. The last game Musa in France in Denmark abon young how Denmark to me are performing and their last meeting, you know, Denmark to me share France. It won't be an easy game at all, but say France to me squeeze a pointer. I think say automatically one move to me bookie one ticket to the round of 16, making sure say they are one of the unluckiest team one more remove our this tournament. They are unluckiest because you share players are one player and your player be a keke. Say player be a keke player into no say who player be key men one more year protagonist in the first half for France national team. No, their players are currently said they are not there is no way and I say even comparing to other teams and Kawamudi Nyabimbo. I think say this particular games, you know, one many teams are and I say team one will lose key men ever this tournament able to me go all out to me how when say one win 6 points now definitely in their last game, you know, it will be advantage Tunisia. And Honana may express me it will be advantage Tunisia because they would have to bench lot of players because one more woman in the situation at hand so far as our more injury situation and as a injury crisis and also no a concern. So it will be a very difficult game, but it is not a game I'm expecting France to say obey to me a win. At least a draw will do in this fixture for Denmark and France.
Okay, you be a day no with Argentina, Mexico.
Yes, another group I can was Argentina would want to revenge something, would want to make a case after that fallout against Saudi Arabia and a very, very difficult game. This Mexicans and yet Bahira Abrewajo she game our money Poland for the boy very physical. One more players and said that need Nisa, but they are playing as a team. And playing as a team, is not about having individual qualities at your disposal, but having individual players being put and nurtured together in terms of understanding, team bonding, cohesion, telepathic understanding, BBIA Juma intact on the field of play, getting the right hand, the handwriting of the manager on the team, making sure when the team is moving in transitional, BBIA intact, one more defender as a collectively, one more midfield, one more Shishinyoma collectively in the attack, one more Shada and here flourishes our attacking force no and a problem kakra and yenya yehu that from against one money Poland Poland denya penalty squandered the opportunity and then to me boy may you go a draw these chances with a hungrier Argentine men are more bano. I don't think giving that spaces we Lewandowski ni Zielinski woman to me making any good case out of those chances, giving that at this particular moment to a hungrier, a lion Argentine men are more bano. I think you will get punished. So Lautaro Martinez, Lionel Andre Messi, and Obecom, Abrante Freno, Fabian and Di Maria. These are players I want more and you cannot give room to such players. You will get punished. Inti anone ya adeba kwa coach na Ojine Mwedema Meikuno would have to put a different structure, a different style of play. Bia obey to me. Ede as stoppers are and I strongly believe say. it's going to be a very difficult, even difficult more than that of their Argentine for no against Saudi Arabia. Those are particular game winning, but even if they are going to win against Mexico, it will be one of the difficult games about in recent times. So they won't take it easy at all. And Guillermo Ochoa, World Cup hero, yenina modern boy no World Cup on said that more brapa pebia, but a bedroom World Cup there, a honor training modern boy, and one more equally good players, Guardado no more or Honomo, Vargas no more, Enina or Heaven Lozano. These are players I won't to me a punish on any given day in time. So it will be another very cagey game, but it is a game. Pushing me who and also say to me I had to say Denmark and France no me who says our games we no it will be a 90 minutes draw.
The Argentina will draw.
Yes, and me who no looking like
draw the another say in the last game be against Poland. I so be win. I don't come here. And on for the boy in Saudi for no crop ya na hotel and cano. I just Saudi Poland in there. 3 points that what did that
Solo my Saudi India say the holiday it's over. Yes
can so much
holiday now kino amom
na obo one match be on your car
until I say it's over. They should come back to reality. They shouldn't think, say, yes, we need the whole I've seen the wonders they've done into Poland. They can write Poland off Derby. But me who almost say,
oh yes, I'm street pa. I'm on from the stadium.
Now Saudi Arabia.
Yes, stadium match. No.
Hey, hey,
street omuchino.
A cronin na about Katahona.
Saudi cronin na.
Hey,
about Kata.
Damn.
Where Kata. Stadium nechini.
Omodo
stadium nechini.
Solo. Solo?
Yes.
I thought I was saying that the holiday is over.
It shows you how ready here.
Nene players no me who omo bus no.
Yes.
They look excited. Yeah. But still, also say seriousness was when we win the first game at Jeka. Issue. We are about draw. But Minyanka about 6 points in Nina Solo. Minyanka obenya 6 points in Nina to seal everything. They who say yes.
First one, how much Rolls Royce and Phantom. Where you see Prince being so aka. Some we anyway.
I'll not be surprised by say almost top group now. Yebema each player FA. There is cash. The money is there.
Yes.
And they've invested it. And nice.
Only 6 points are qualified.
Yes, 6 points. I'm sure if you boko no mutu miji World Cup no wan share a crony na ombeji the whole world are done. But it's impressive. O invest in football money with team ni ukroma. This is the outcome. Enti o share supporters no so na omo stadium ho there.
Enti who say against Poland to say
Saudi bet me win. Vim no mo dey ball Argentina no. So mo dey have Vim no so back Poland so it can work for them. No inside the back of my mind ABR I dream him say yes at the end of the match me dying. When me conquer me the ball. Enti me him say Saudi for no. But Poland so someone tenacity because they've seen what Saudi has done.
The first game was drawing.
Drawing into way so many bebre. Bebre. Now talk now every now and ma the players during the dressing room half time no. I'm sure says still bet me some motivation no. Into the Saudi game I'm expecting Saudi to win or a draw. France so dear.
France is Denmark.
Yeah. France are big guys, some are big boys. Enti on person be silly 6 points for them to be comfortably at the top. Because who could be ABM now could acquire 3-4 to say Ghana day 4-1-1-1. Now only way ball I feel for calculator there be who secure all the 6 points now that top or comfortably is going to that game to I see France on top.
Okay.
I see France.
Argentina, Mexico. Yeah, we day no.
Argentina are crying.
I predict to say a draw.
Lions. Draw how? Argentina draws.
Oh, no prediction, no.
Oh, entering your prediction.
It was your prediction.
I was Argentina winning a game, you. Draw saying. I mean, how can Argentina come to a team, lose a game and just draw? For what reason? Should players or draw saying?
Ghana
cry draw na Argentina. Debbie, They have to win at all costs. They also have to win. Mexico, they say Mexico, they say be telenovela ne actor. Wow, I'm a big boys in the into Argentina. Win for Argentina. For me, win for Argentina, win for France, win for Saudi.
Wow. Wow. And I do a prediction, no. And Eke Obeka Accra. And Yanko.
Expect Saudi Poland. Definitely. A very tough game.
1 p.m.
A very interesting game, Papa. And I see a drawn game. Yeah, Poland, Saudi Arabia. I see a drawn game. France, Denmark is very, 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 very tough because Denmark about drawing their first game. They also need to win. So they be the chances of qualifying because in Australia, and their last game. So when we need their last game, they are playing Australia, and it's very, very difficult for them. You know, I also expect Denmark to be putting up a good performance against France. Argentina, Mexico. Definitely being a Lionel Messi fan, no. I expect Argentina be winning. Yes, and in their last 5 meetings between Argentina and Mexico in a win over Argentina. So definitely, but this is the World Cup, full of surprises.
Yes.
Mexico, their first game against Poland. And Argentina, their game against Saudi. So they see. But definitely, I know say Lionel Messi and Lionel Scolani, Argentina coach, you know. And the players, you know, be putting up a good performance. They know that they can't lose or draw. It's, you know, a must win for Argentina. Definitely, I see Lionel Messi scoring, Lautaro Martinez scoring, and it will be a massive win for Argentina. And then
prediction,
scoreline 2-0 for Argentina.
Okay. The scoreline is not our bomb.
Yeah, Lionel Messi, Lautaro Martinez. I'm gonna say almost.
Okay. Yeah, I'm on call. Messi to score.
But Argentina will win. But they be a scorers. I'm expecting say Lionel Messi should score because I'm Lionel Messi fan, you know. But any goal from any player will make Argentina win. But I'm sure say the most important thing is Argentina be winning. So that's it.
Okay. I was here and also no 1 p.m. here no game back home. So Poland and Saudi Arabia, but and then you have live commentary and you make a crack. Ya penso bi agugu yemu a ya pedi ani bi nso atotom e bi nhye den didi omo didi nso akopenso agu so na hot oven momra na se yentom nka oforu wa choba yentom nka executive yentom nka enti moma yentom nka na fei yen se bibia be kama enti oforu wa ma yentom nka ana abna mama ya wo manimu ha yi a abna ma de owo ya chi yi a se ya wie enti to nka be 10 minutes yi a oforu wan so ayre so 15-20 minutes yi to nka DJ vibes ebe hu nyoma ebo be 3:40-3:45 ebe trans 4 p.m. ya the France Denmark ne be ba na 7 p.m. Argentina Mexico ya the aba hot oven asidan confirm am and afi oforu wa choba and confirm am Otomo Enterprise omuna asida eyomo dia ke Asari Company Limited ofla eye construction omunso asida enko enfamamo executive pub amunso asida eyomo dia na fe Loma Vista monso yedamase Emerald Enterprise yedamase Higher Height Hotel and afe ready food omunyina eboaye and the live commentary no at the bro me did the paradise yes sorry na fe DJ vibes at the nyoma jeje tata we are ebono na live commentary and so ebeba wakwemu na fe ya to aso non so France Denmark 4 p.m. Argentina Mexico 7 p.m. then on Poland and Saudi Arabia 1 p.m. here almost eba bebo DJ vibes to also good afternoon
for Okuma 97.1 ni my name say World Cup is here Qatar 2022 ewa ha na Ghana Black Stars representing Omaino ewo Qatar Ghana bebo against Portugal now we are at Equiapim yes and we are on the streets with the everyday Ghanaian to ask say or Qatar no so far no or shane saying but akwa baba Okuma 97.1 FM so
Yo, minu amedawase.
Pacho, so when it's Qatar, you know what's going on in Qatar?
Oh, you, minu say we are singing I can't see no.
Say.
Ebusian for Okuma 97.1 ni. Mo name say World Cup is here. Qatar 2022. Ewa ha. Na Ghana Black Stars representi Omaino ewo Qatar. Ghana. Ebusian for Okuma 97.1 ni. Mo name say World Cup is here. Qatar 2022. Ewa ha. Na Ghana Black Stars representi Omaino ewo Qatar. Ghana bebo against Portugal. Now we are at Equiapim, yes, and we are on the streets with the everyday Ghanaian to ask say or Qatar so far no or shane saying but akwa baba Okuma 97.1 FM so.
Yo, minu amedawase.
So when it's Qatar, you know what's going on in Qatar?
Oh, you, minu say we are singing I can't see no. Ina eko so hopa.
Ina ball no, what should do dra?
Oh, mahwa we kura na migu so hwe Germany ni Japan den. Ina me fi set no.
Ghana bebo ball. Your expectation.
You, Ose Ghana. Ghana Black Star. Bring back the love. Ye nyina dey odo everybody and in Pabo ata ye nuanum nechi because more than 32 million population. Ye nyina ye timi ko gina park no so. Iti our gallant stars na where you want say won gina o man nimu no. Ye the empire boy den eta wonchi.
Na scoreline dey meet me more entire full but me je say ye be beat 1-1. Difference in be 1 goal. Me da wasi bebre. Hello Ebusian for it's the Qatar 20